Hi, this is Subhasmita. I'm working in IT sector as a tester for last 5 years. I was very much interested in Salesforce. To build career in that, I joined Myvi University for Salesforce administration course. I was not that much sure, not that much confident when I joined. But I could say I'm very much fortunate that Samj sir has guided me in learning Salesforce, and which was so effective. That course was so helpful for me to achieve my goal, the switching company, and I got lot of experience exposure in Salesforce. Even I have given the Salesforce certification. Today I can say I'm a certified Salesforce administrator. So I would like to thank my university and same sir for all the learning I got, and I'm looking forward to achieve more knowledge and more learning in Salesforce. Thank you.